Well, another hobby is in the house. It's nothing new. It's something I haven't done in probably 35, 40 years. Um, just got the urge to make this a fall winter hobby instead of watching YouTube and playing video games every single night. So, I'm not much for unboxings or clickbait or anything like that. So I'm just going to get right into it. I've already opened it, but this is what we're getting into. We are building balsa wood RC electric aircraft. This is a J3 Cub, made between 1937 and 1947. This is a 1.2 meter wingspan, so just a little over 3 feet. Uses a very small engine. It's going to be a slow flyer. Things I've done already in preparation of building this is obviously making a layout board. And secondly, where did I put them? Anyways, it does come with landing gear and associated hardware. What looks to be a fairly decent manual. I was afraid I'd just get a piece of paper with a couple of numbers on it, but there actually is a book. So that's kind of cool. Full color. There's also a sticker sheet if I so desire to put stickers on it. And lastly, in the paper department, we have the full-size 1-to-1 wing layout plans. Everything else is built from the book. This will be about the only thing that needs to be pinned down, as far as I can tell. Here we have our clear cowling, which, as far as I can tell, is probably Lexan, so that can be sprayed from the inside, whatever color I choose. The entire kit is basically, well, this bag of balsa and ply. Looks like some windows, ribs, all your usual RC aircraft stuff. Here we have some what's probably stringers and formers, or sorry, not formers, longerons, parts of the wing, and it looks like we have a couple of push rods and pull rods. I have not seen the hardware yet for the linkages, but I'm sure it's here. If not, I have lots of that. And I do believe this is aileron equipped. Yes. So it's 4-channel. I've also purchased, in anticipation of this plane coming with small wheels, I have gone ahead and bought some 3.5 inch wheels, and if I get them to sit there, that is what looks like a 2-inch wheel. So it's going to be a little bit more of a bush plane, and for taking off on crap and grass, these bigger tires should fill the bill for that. 2 more planes coming. My wife thinks there's 1, but there's 2. There's a the next one is a little bit larger than this, or approximately the same size. It's a, if I can remember what I ordered, it is a tiger moth. Again, from Dancing Wings Hobby. So last night, alcohol may have been a factor. I did order a Sopwith Camel, and I believe it would be 1/6 scale. So it's got at least a 2 meter wingspan, I believe. Maybe a bit smaller than that, I can't remember. It is a small plane in real life, so I don't think the wingspan is maybe that big. I'd have to look at the specs again. Anyways, I'll put it on the video if I look it up. So, anyways, this is where we're going to start. Piece of drywall, put the pins in. I have the island to my use, my wife says. So I'm not going to abuse that privilege. And I'm going to get started on the build. Today is Sunday. Alexa, what day is it today?
It's Sunday, September 7th.
There you go. It is Sunday, September 7th, 2025. And I'm going to start building airplanes. So in conclusion for this, I guess we'll call it episode 1, the unboxing and introduction to the latest hobby in the house. If you want to follow along, please do. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you're interested in this, and that'll help me continue videotaping and filming my progress, my trials, tribulations, errors, and hopefully I can bring back a lot of the memories from 35, 40 years ago, and I haven't forgotten half the stuff I need to do to do this. There is a lot of YouTube channels out there now with very active builders, so there's lots of information. And these kits, honestly, are fairly cheap. I think if you've already got the tools, you're coming in like half the price of a foamy of the same size, and you've got the satisfaction of building it yourself, doing whatever colors you want. I think I did go with the standard Cub yellow for this one, but I did notice I have some silver foil, sticky foil downstairs somewhere from some other project, which I may use on parts of it around the engine. I may spray the engine cowling, silver anyway. My wife has a Cricut, so I'm going to press her into service for making decals and numbers and letters. So it is kind of a cheap alternative to just buying a foamy airplane where you spend half an hour, put a few screws together, and then take it out. My thoughts is it's going to take, I'm going to say probably a couple of weeks, working evenings and free time. So, which I have a lot of in the evenings, so who knows, this could be a 1 week project. I'm still waiting for covering. I'm still waiting for some other tools that I've ordered from Amazon and AliExpress, which is the online provider of the dancing wings hobby aircraft, and they vary in price. It's worth a look. You can buy a basic kit that doesn't come with covering, doesn't come with electronics, for say $150. Then if you want the covering, it might be $170. If you want the covering and the electronics, it might be $190 or $200. And I think even one of the kits comes with radio and receiver. Most of them are 4-channel. They build everything from micros up to very large scale. And I kept mine within the 1 to 2 meter range because that's most of my foamies size. So I thought that would be a good plan. Keep everything about the same size, as well as be able to reuse a lot of the electronics and motors and stuff from those airplanes. So yeah, please follow along, like, subscribe, please comment if you want me to keep this going, and I will get building.